Here we have the glorious N55. We're about to do a little cold start on her. We got a full straight pipe from all the way up to the downpipe, VRSF, all the way back here to the VRSF muffler delete, as you guys can see. Run straight all the way back. Give you guys an entire, all the sounds while I'm rolling, while it's cold starting, every kind of sound you can imagine on these cars. So you guys can just get a good idea of what the car sounds like. So let's hear it. Cold start's been sitting here for like a whole day damn near, so